In this video, I will show you how to set up a Gmail signature. So first, click the settings and then see all settings and go to general and scroll down. And here we can see signature and then click create new and type the name of your signature and then create. In this right portion, input your signature. So this is my example signature. Type the name and type your title and then the name of your company. You can input also the website of your company, for example. This is the website, and then you can add also the logo of your company. So if you add the logo or any images, click this insert image and then upload and then choose a file and then for example this is the logo, and then click this one, make it small, so like this. And then you can modify also the color of your name. Click here and choose this one, or you can make it bold or italize, and that's it. You can create also another signature. So I will create new, click create, and in here I want it to be very simple only. So after that, after you created your signature, scroll down and click save changes. So now how to use the save signature. So example, I will compose an email, and then in the lower portion, this insert signature, click this one, and in here you can see your ready-made signature, and that's it.